Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to reset WooCommerce to default. This is incredibly useful when you need to restore your WooCommerce pages to their original state, perhaps after customization issues or when missing pages need to be reinstalled. Let's walk through this simple process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. Once you're on the site, you'll need to log into your WordPress account if you haven't already done so. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with the account that has WooCommerce installed. This step is essential as you need access to your dashboard to make any changes to your WooCommerce settings. Once you're logged in and viewing your WordPress dashboard, turn your attention to the left navigation menu. This is where all your main WordPress functions are organized. Look for the option labeled WooCommerce and click on it. When you do this, an expanded menu will appear showing you several WooCommerce-related options. These options give you access to different aspects of your online store management. From this expanded menu, locate and click on Status. This section is where WordPress provides you with tools to monitor and manage the technical aspects of your WooCommerce installation. Now that you're in the status menu, look at the top part of your screen where you'll see several tabs. Click on the Tools option. This tab contains various maintenance and troubleshooting utilities that help you manage your WooCommerce store effectively. The tools available here are specifically designed to fix common issues and restore functionality when needed. Within the Tools section, you'll need to locate an option called Create Default WooCommerce Pages. This is the key feature we're looking for today. Right next to this option, you'll see a Create Action button. This button is what allows you to create default pages or install any missing pages in your WooCommerce setup. When you click this button, WooCommerce will automatically generate or restore the essential pages your store needs to function properly, such as the Shop page, Cart page, Checkout page, and My Account page. Essentially, this function resets all your pages to their default state, giving you a clean slate to work with. And there you have it. You've successfully reset your WooCommerce pages to default, ensuring your store has all the necessary pages properly configured. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.